Only the Young guitar tutorial. Start here. We're going to work on our chords first. So we're in the key of D, so we've got 5 chords that we need to learn. We've got our D major chord, or we just call it D. So 4th string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger. 6th string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger. You can see, and then 4th finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret. I think of it as like a triangle. 1, skip 1, down, and then this one goes on the string in between these 2 fingers. You can see that? This is all in your notation. You've got a chord chart at the beginning of your music. We're only going to play the bottom 4 strings. Now I'm going to use a pick because it makes it sound a much more full sound as you're playing. It doesn't hurt your fingers as much. Right, just bottom 4 strings. Some people call them top, some people call them bottom. I think bottom because they're like further away from me. That's your D. Your A, all 2nd fret, and you're going to go from the 3rd string, 4th string, 5th string, all in a row, like that. You need to press quite hard, and you're going to play from the 2nd string. All for 4 counts. This time, move these fingers up towards yourself 1, like this, but you're going to let go of that. So you've got 2nd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string. And you can strum all of them because it's an E. This is an E. All strings, that's your E minor. And to get to the G, keep your pointer finger where it is. Your 3rd finger is going to go 1st string, 3rd fret. Your 4th finger is going to go 3rd fret, top string. If you can see that, that's what it looks like. Again, press really hard. If this is too hard to get your finger to, you can put your pinky there, but your pinky's quite weak. I always use my 4th finger. There's your G. Let's revise those 4 chords because the other chord's going to be a bit trickier. So let's start with D. Just so you know, this is what the notes are. So we're playing from the D string. E, A, D, G, B, E is those strings. So we're plucking, when we're playing the D chord, we're plucking from the E, A, D string down. Down to A, and you're playing from the A string. Sorry, A string. 2, 3, 4, E minor, plucking all the strings. G, playing all the strings. Just play through that with me a few times. I'll take it nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. One more time. E minor. Sorry, I keep going to G. G. A bit faster this time. D, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E minor. 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. That goes for most of the song. Those are your 4 chords. If you're following your music, you should be fine. Practice with the backing track, and it will help you a lot. There's actually no guitar recorded in this song, but you're probably going to use it in your band. So just follow the chords as they're there. Guitar and piano can pretty much play all the same times. But yeah, that's part of learning a cover and making a cover of music, is deciding when you're going to have certain instruments come in and out and solos. So don't just play everything all at the same volume the whole way through. Decide when you want the guitar in and out. And if you don't have both guitar and piano, they can kind of take each other's role a little bit. Think of your whole band as like pieces of the pie, and you don't want to do like take the whole pie on your one instrument. You want to just take your portion and leave room for the other instruments to take their portion as well. That's a little side note, little tangent. Let's go to our B minor. So we're using the bottom 4 strings, so actually the high strings, but we're thinking bottom. So 2nd finger, pointer finger, 2nd fret, bottom string, E string. Third finger, it's like we're going upstairs. Third finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. 4th finger, you're going to jump up 1, so you're skipping a step. So 4th finger, 4th fret on the D string, so the 3rd string, and then your pinky goes on the one below. So we've got going up the stairs, different frets, and then jump up a string, and then just directly below it. So bottom string, 5th string, 4th string is your pinky, 4th string is your pinky, 3rd string is your 4th finger. Again, it's all on your chord chart. Just try and copy this out. So we've got 2nd fret bottom string, it's actually your E string. 3rd fret 5th string, which is your B string. 4th fret 4th finger on your D string, and 5th finger on your G string. And you're just going to play those 4. This chord is just for the bridge, so it goes from the G, you're going to go straight to this B minor. They aren't gonna help us. Then to the G. Ooh. B minor. It's hard to jump between G, 2, 3, 4, B minor. G, 2, 3, 4, then on to E. Bridge, that one I would say is going to take you a little while to get through. So for the bridge, you need to practice slowly going between B minor and G. Don't even worry about all the strumming. I just want you to do 1 strum each and take that 4 counts to get to your next chord. Get ready, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Just do that with me a few times. B minor to G, B minor, down to G. So again, the way I do it, use your pointer finger as your anchor. 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret for these 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Last time. B minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, back to G, then to A quickly. And then you're back into your chorus. So if we were strumming that, there are a few different ways to do it, and I'll do that in some separate videos with the different strumming patterns. But once you've got it 1 strum per 4 counts, as we were just doing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try doing a strum per count after that. So B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. B minor, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, and again B minor, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, down to E minor. To G just for 2, A for 2. Try and remember that. The only part of the song where your chord's going to last less than 4 counts is at the end of the bridge, where you're going, only one thing can save us. And it's transitioning back to the D. So you go G, A, D. That's enough. Practice those chords. When you're feeling confident, practice with the backing track. And decide where you want guitar to come in and come out, where you want it to get louder and softer, things like that. Thanks.